I got this really nice Soonfo light stand, and I got it set up with my Mount Dog light up here, and then I got a mic stand on here for my Yeti mic. Now I just need to add a camera mount. Let me go ahead and show you how I'm going to do it. So what I got here is I got this K&F Concepts tripod head mount. This thing's pretty nice. The thing I like about these is that you can put these on your different cameras and that they're interchangeable. So I can just take my GoPro here that I have on here, and then I can just screw that on here. So you can put these K&F Concept mounts on your different tripod heads, and then they're really easy to change out. You can put different cameras on here when you need them. So it comes with one of those to add to your camera. You just put it in there and tighten it up. And then to screw this on here, comes with a couple different sizes. You can stick this in here if you want to go smaller. I'm going to connect it up here to my SmallRig super clamp. And so I'm going to insert the smaller size here so that I can screw it onto the tripod mount here. So this is a 3/8 inch hole that it comes with. And then it gives you a 1/4 inch adapter that you can put in there so that you can connect it to a tripod like that. So this will be pretty cool. We'll see how this works out. I'm going to go ahead and put it together real quick. Okay, so it looks like it comes with an Allen key here. And then it also has a thread here where you could put a screwdriver in there. I think we'll need a little bit bigger screwdriver. It looks like this one will fit right here. So we'll just go ahead and screw this in here. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what the Allen key's for because that's threaded inside there. So we'll go ahead and hook this to the super clamp. All right, so we got that all set up on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it on the light stand. All right, I think I'll just connect this SmallRig super clamp right here. The nice thing about this SmallRig super clamp is I can clamp it to different things. So now that I got this tripod head on here, I can go ahead and put this in all different kinds of places. This thing's pretty nice, easy to move around, and then I'll go ahead and put my camera on here. Go ahead and connect my camera to this piece here. I put this little spacer on the bottom of my camera here so that I can get to the batteries real easy. So it's easy to change the batteries on these things. This camera, this G7X, it gets hot, and when it gets hot like that, you got to change the batteries because they seem to overheat pretty quick. So this is a quick way to change it. Now we'll just connect our quick release on here for the K&F Concepts. We can snug it up there since we got the screwdriver out here. All right, let's go ahead and put it on there and see how it looks. Now I can just put my camera in here real quick and tighten it down and put my screen up there. Pretty nice. This tripod ball head is pretty nice. It's got a few different ways to adjust it. You got this little knob right here, so then you can turn it this way. And then you also got the tripod ball mount right here. So you can loosen that up, and then you can adjust this to do different angles or overhead shot. Goes all the way down there to like a 90-degree angle. And then with this one right here, you can just unscrew this, and then you can easily take out your camera, and you can swap it out with another one. So it's pretty easy to switch back and forth between your different cameras. You can even put one on your cell phone. So yeah, this thing's pretty versatile. You can put on your cell phone, on your GoPro, or on your camera. So yeah, this is a pretty nice little tripod mount. So yeah, this is a pretty nice way to mount your camera to your light stand. This is a pretty versatile setup. This thing's pretty nice.